For renters who love gardening, lease restrictions can often be a hurdle. Many landlords prohibit permanent installations, limiting tenants from digging up lawns or making structural modifications. However, this doesn't mean you have to give up on your green dreams. Portable gardening solutions allow renters to cultivate lush, thriving gardens without violating lease agreements. These flexible, space-efficient, and mobile solutions make it easy to create a vibrant green space that can move with you. Let's explore innovative, renter-friendly gardening ideas that keep both you and your landlord happy. 1. Container gardening, the ultimate flexible solution. Container gardening is the most versatile and adaptable gardening method for renters. Growing plants in pots, repurposed buckets, or fabric grow bags lets you create a custom garden, no matter how small your space is. Whether you prefer herbs, vegetables, flowering plants, or succulents, containers accommodate them all with ease. Opt for lightweight materials like plastic or fabric pots to make relocation effortless. Adding wheels to larger planters enhances mobility, allowing you to move your plants for optimal sunlight exposure or to shield them from harsh weather. 2. Mobile raised beds for easy relocation. For tenants seeking a more substantial garden setup, mobile raised beds offer a fantastic alternative. Designed with wheels or lightweight frames, these beds let you grow a wide range of plants, from leafy greens to root vegetables. Perfect for balconies, patios, or sunlit indoor spaces, mobile raised beds maximize gardening potential without permanent alterations. Consider raised beds with built-in drainage or self-watering features to simplify maintenance while ensuring healthier plant growth. 3. Vertical plant stands for compact spaces. When space is limited, vertical gardening provides an excellent solution. Freestanding plant racks or modular vertical planters enable you to grow multiple plants in a compact area. These structures are ideal for balconies, patios, and even indoor spaces, helping renters make the most of vertical real estate. Opt for lightweight, foldable designs that can be easily transported when you move. Herbs, flowering plants, and compact vegetables flourish in vertical setups, turning even the smallest space into a green oasis. 4. Hanging gardens for maximum aesthetic appeal. Hanging gardens are perfect for renters looking to enhance their space with greenery while keeping the floor area free. Hanging baskets, macrame plant holders, or wall-mounted fabric pockets allow you to cultivate plants without crowding your living space. These solutions are ideal for balconies, walls, or window frames, bringing life to your home without any permanent installations. Choose removable hooks or adhesive hangers to avoid damage to walls, ensuring a hassle-free gardening experience. 5. Foldable trellises for climbing plants. Climbing plants like tomatoes, peas, and flowering vines thrive with proper support, making foldable trellises an excellent choice for renters. These portable structures provide the necessary framework for plants to grow upward while remaining easy to transport. Opt for durable yet lightweight materials like bamboo or metal for long-lasting use. Pairing trellises with container gardens or mobile raised beds creates a cohesive and flexible setup that adapts to different rental spaces. 6. Multifunctional garden furniture with planters. Blend aesthetics with functionality by incorporating garden furniture that doubles as a planter. Benches, tables, and shelving units with built-in plant compartments provide an innovative way to add greenery to your space. These pieces not only enhance your home's decor, but also allow you to nurture plants in an organized and space-efficient manner. Choose lightweight, weather-resistant materials to ensure easy mobility and long-term durability. 7. Lightweight hydroponic systems for indoor gardening. Hydroponic gardening offers an innovative, soil-free method for growing fresh produce indoors. Compact hydroponic systems are available in various sizes, making it easy to cultivate herbs, leafy greens, and microgreens in limited spaces. Since these systems don't require soil, they remain mess-free, making them ideal for renters. Whether placed on a kitchen countertop or a windowsill, hydroponic gardens provide a sustainable way to enjoy homegrown food all year round. 8. Portable greenhouses for year-round growth. Portable greenhouses are a great investment for renters looking to protect their plants from extreme weather conditions. These lightweight, easy-to-assemble structures create a controlled environment, extending the growing season and protecting delicate plants from frost or heat. Available in various sizes, they fit well on balconies, patios, or small yards. Choose foldable or pop-up designs that can be packed away when not in use, ensuring maximum flexibility. 9. Upcycling everyday items for budget-friendly gardening. Sustainable gardening is easy when you repurpose everyday household items. Old furniture, wooden crates, and even kitchen containers can be creatively transformed into planters or gardening tools. A discarded ladder can be turned into a tiered plant stand, while mason jars serve as excellent herb pots. This eco-friendly approach not only adds a personal touch to your gardening setup, but also reduces waste, making it a win-win for both you and the environment. 10. Low-impact gardening to maintain a tenant-friendly space. Keeping your rental garden low-impact ensures you don't run into issues with your landlord. Use trays or mats under planters to prevent water damage to floors and balconies. Opt for freestanding or adhesive-based gardening solutions instead of drilling holes or making permanent alterations. Keeping your space tidy and portable ensures an easy transition when you move, maintaining a positive relationship with your landlord while enjoying a thriving garden. Bonus tip: invest in space-saving gardening accessories such as foldable stools, stackable pots, and compact storage solutions. High-quality, durable materials make gardening tools easier to transport, ensuring a seamless gardening experience in any rental home. Thank you for joining us in exploring these renter-friendly gardening solutions. With the right approach, creating a thriving garden in a rental space is easier than ever. If you found these ideas helpful, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!